Hello, YouTube. This is your host, Tommy Cunningham. So today's video, what we are planning to talk about is what happens at Holiday World and Splash and Safari and why it's called #1 for family fun. So on Holiday World and Splash and Safari's website, which I'll post in the the description. This place, Holiday World and Splash and Safari, is a place for #1 for family fun. And they have lockers. And it's located in Santa Claus, Indiana, in southern Indiana. So this is about half a mile from the Evansville Airport and about closer to Jasper, Huntingsburg, and almost all those areas. But if you guys take 69 down there, 69 would be your best bet. So also on here, all day tickets are available from a first come, first served basis in Holiday World and in Splash and Safari and near Holiday World's front gate. We have keyless lockers in 2 sizes. Regular per day, large, regular dates, $25, peak dates, $27. Season holders receive a $5 discount on locker rentals. Insert a key, you'll receive up to 4 latex free wristbands, which will scan open your locker throughout the day. Just throw them away at the end of your visit. There's no deposit. You'll have access to your lockers in Splash and Safari Plaza throughout Holiday World's opening hours. So if you guys lose an item, which this is really interesting by Holiday World. So they call their place #1 for family fun, which is a real good reason. Because my favorite part about Holiday World is their rides, is their water rides, and their food. Which this is also a good little kids one. Visiting with small children, if you are carrying a cell phone during your visit, please pick up the phone fine wristbands. At Wagon Rentals, Holiday World's Hyde Station next to Hold Dog Theater, Holiday World Services, Splash and Safari Rentals for them to wear. Simply print your phone number on the wristband and instruct your child to go to a uniform park and play if he or she gets separated with you. We'll call you and get you and your child reacquainted. So Holiday World this is their rain and storm protocol. Holiday World and Splash and Safari do not close in bad weather. The ride continues to operate in the rain. If lightning or extreme weather occurs in an immediate area, some or all of Holiday World's both parks will shut down and will reopen as soon as it's safe. We encourage your family to wait out the storm and enjoy the day with us. This is what their worry-free guarantee says. During your visit, be sure to take a picture of your ticket and keep it with you. If the storm forces to close our rides for a total of 90 minutes or longer, the worry-free weather guarantee is activated. You will be able to use your ticket and return another day this season. Just check to see if you qualify for the worry-free guarantee. If it does, bring your ticket or picture of it back to you to guest relations on the day you'll like to visit. Major rides and attractions shut down more than 90 minutes for the guarantee to be activated. You do not have to leave to get a return visit, so you might as well stick around the rest of your day and see things open back up. This is what their ride closure is. We try very hard to every day. However, occurrence there are reason a ride to be closed for an entire day or longer. Due to maintenance issues, see if it's that case. We will post information here in our admissions area. We apologize in advance. Hope you'll enjoy many other rides we have during your visit. Please note our water attractions may close for chilly weather. For the safety of our guests and team members, in each attraction has a specific minimum operating temperature. We watch carefully try to open attractions as temperatures warm up throughout the day. So rides at closing, please do not wait until just before the closing time to ride your favorite ride one last time. Our most popular rides may close early that everybody already in line gets to ride before or shortly after the park closes. To prepare for holidays in the sky on nights the park closes at 9, the Thanksgiving section will close at 8:30 p.m. But be aware, this is a thing if you guys are part of Eastern Standard Time or Daylight Savings Time. Holiday World is under Central Standard Time. So that's the time you guys have to stick to, like while you guys are down there. Luckily, your phone, and if you guys have an Apple Watch, both of those will sync up when you guys are down there, which is really stupid, I know, but you guys cannot do anything about it. So like also insider tips, they got best times to visit. Oh, here we go. Stay healthy, stay safe and healthy. At Holiday World and Splash and Safari, we take ride safety seriously. Violating ride safety rules, written, spoken, or imparted, especially falling from a remaining safety seat with restraints in place at all times, could result in serious injury. If you're violating ride safety vehicles, you will be ejected from our parks and possibly returning for a period of time as a denied by our park management based on the nature of the violation. We want you to have the best possible time. That means taking care of yourself. Tips of your visit no matter what. Please be sure to eat breakfast in the morning of your visit and apply sunscreen at least 30 minutes before arrival. Once you reapply sunscreen often every 2 hours. Taking care of rubbing it in, not just on. Sunscreen is available in both of our parks. Be sure to stay hydrated. Soft drinks are free in both parks, including iced tea, Gatorade, lemonade, and water. Don't take a vacation from your meds. If you're on medicine, don't skip it on your visit unless otherwise by your doctor. If you need an over-the-counter medication during your visit, please plan to purchase them in our gift shops. Our first aid building is located in Splash and Safari's entry class and is staffed with EMTs. It's a great idea to wear a hat plus sunglasses during your visit. Don't hesitate to keep your shoes, sandals, flip-flops on in Splash and Safari. It's okay to wear in the water and on the slides. Do you have food allergies? Be sure to check the allergy food page, healthy menu, options, gluten-free options, and natural information on our website. Have a plan. Lost parents. Discuss ahead of time what to do if the family becomes separated during your visit. Plan a meeting space such as the Found the Christmas section on the Lost Parents station in Wannabe in Splash and Safari. Be sure to note what your child's wearing. Better yet, take a picture on your phone. In just in case you need to describe your parents to the Lost Parents attendant. Make sure your children knows your name and can describe it to you. Children should ask a uniform employee, which that's any Holiday World person that carries a walkie or a person that has a green, blue, and gold with a Holiday World symbol like this. Like my shirt says next. So just say it Holiday World. So they also got maps and show times. When you log on to our free park-wide Wi-Fi, you'll be automatically directed to our Today Glance page, which includes today's hours, menus, show schedules, and more. You may also pick up a printed park map at one of our gift shops. Right after each morning lines and holiday sections, to no longer later than a day, try mid-afternoon instead. In the mornings, the 4th of July section, especially Hot Dog Sunshine, lean to be much shorter than otherwise. In Holiday World, Hot Dog's Fun Town is a great spot for families with younger children. Visit Splash and Safari before lunch when it's not busy. Best times to eat. Try to eat better than most for short waits. Try a meal between 10 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Savings Time. And then dinner before 4 o'clock and 6 o'clock Central Daylight Time. Snack items, ice cream, pretzels, etc. are less busy between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. They are busier in the evenings. Bring an extra set of keys. So that means like your car keys, like your house keys, any keys you guys need. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell so you guys will not miss out on any videos. If you guys have already hit that, I want to thank you guys so very much for watching my channel. You guys are the best, and I will see you guys back in my next video. Have a great day.